Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Antigua, a Jamaican national, jail for escaping a immigration center. Me don't know how she do it. Greetings and salutations to all nations, especially my Jamaicans worldwide. You too, send this out to my great Jamaicans across the far right of ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. Hit that red subscribe button, leave your comment, share the content for the Rastaman. A magistrate court Tuesday sentenced a Jamaican woman, Tiffany Stephanie Howell, 30 to 7 months in jail for escaping lawful custody. The Jamaican, who had been on a run for the past week, surrendered to the immigration department on Sunday and was sentenced at All Saints Magistrate Court when she appeared